Welcome to the fourth episode of 3D. Dean's Dangerous Decisions. Dangerous because we're gonna talk about cybersecurity. Now, 3D episodes, these are the decisions I made in the past that made significant changes in my career and businesses. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host, name is Dean Armada, and I'm the internet's action star. And on this channel, we talk about tech careers and certifications, trivia and tutorials in cybersecurity, trivia and tutorials in cloud and data center, and my journey as an IT instructor. So feel free to check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. It's been a couple of years since I published my F5 online courses, and for those who have purchased, from the bottom of my corazon, I would like to thank you all. It's actually the beginning of my online presence because what I was doing in the past was I deliver live classroom environment. Okay, these are certified training. Okay, so most of these I deliver it on the vendor side like Cisco, Arista, etc. I actually prefer that, and I would like to be honest with you. I miss delivering a live classroom environment, and the reason why is I don't want to see my face in YouTube. I don't want to see my ugly face on the internet. I started online training during pandemic, during lockdown, and that was mid of 2020. I only have few courses, but it keeps growing. And most students are those who enrolled in my F5 courses. And I met people. Some of them became my friends. Some of them, they send me messages that I helped them in their careers. Now they're working as a network engineer or senior network engineers, and most of them are working in a reputable company. Some of them, they advise me that I really help them change their lives, like big time. And you can't imagine the feeling, knowing I'm part of their success. And these are all online, by the way, all virtual. Now, or after that, I decided I think I can do more, okay? Like provide more career advice, more tutorials with various technologies. And this is when Stick Show was born. Now, many people are asking me what's next for F5 or what F5 course that I will develop, okay? And here's the thing. I want to focus more on cybersecurity, not just the open source and hacking tools. It would be a combination of various technologies. And I want to start with web security because it's the most used application. Everyone uses web-based applications, right? So I decided to go for F5303 or F5303 exam preparation course. Okay, this is the F5 ASM or Application Security Manager, or sometimes, or the upgrade is F5 Advanced WAF. Whatever you want to call it. Let's do this! Maybe some of you are asking, why F5303? Why not F5301A and F5301B LTM Specialist? This is the result of our survey. I know, LTM Specialist won, but think about it. Think about it. If you're gonna recertify your F5CA, would it be better if you just take one exam? You can only achieve F5 LTM Specialist after passing both F5 301A and 301B exams. So, that is equal to more preparation and more exam cost. Okay? Passing 301A won't renew your F5CA. It should be both. Would it be good if you just do one preparation and one exam only? Hell yeah! I also highlighted this based on my previous video. Specializing in web security is the way to go. Ethical hacking wise, we'll be focusing on less tools such as Burp Suite, OWASP, etc. And you will learn bug bounty as well. Alright, penetration testing is very broad, seriously. And my advice is focus on a specific application. So what's the best application? Of course it's web application. Then learn web application firewall and API protection as well. I know it's challenging. Developing this course is even way more challenging than you think. So why F5303? Well, I have a working knowledge with F5 ASM, as in real world production environment, and it involves a lot of coordination with many teams, such as the network guys, web developers, Linux or server admins, even project managers, or even CISO. I consider this as the most difficult course that I ever delivered. You think ACI is difficult, or any Cisco courses, or you think Python network automation or Kubernetes difficult? Hell no! F5 ASM, or sometimes we call it Advanced WAF, you will appreciate it more if you learn first the basics of web technologies, web vulnerabilities, and web attacks. And I already published this course. It's not just about web we talk about, we also talk about Python. Yeah, Python programming. We use Python in creating web attacks. So before you take F5303 course, which I may possibly publish in the late October or November, you need to have a solid foundation with web technologies. And all you need to do is visit www.zurian.com, click training, and here you can see various training courses. Click the tick box next to security, and this will filter a specific title, Python and Cybersecurity Web Attacks. This course discusses the basics of Python programming, web technologies, web vulnerabilities, and web attacks. Okay, last one. I haven't made a decision yet, and I need you to help me decide. This is just between you and myself, alright? What do you think about Alora? Yeah, Alora Alcantara, my co-host. I'm thinking of replacing her. She is not attracting more audience. Stick Show needs more subscribers. Stick Show needs more views. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking of hiring a porn star as my new co-host. Or Alora should start learning IT, such as networking, F5 Cisco Arista, or Python web security. Do you think she can do it?